The much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra is making waves even before its official announcement. Scheduled for a January launch, Samsung's next-generation flagship smartphone has appeared in what seems to be a hands-on video. This leak gives us an early glimpse of its design, and it's nothing short of stunning. The video, which surfaced on Reddit, showcases a radically different design approach for the Galaxy S25 Ultra compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. One of the standout changes is the shift to curved corners, which replace the boxier edges of earlier models. The device also appears to feature a middle frame that curves slightly towards the rear, enhancing its overall aesthetics. This combination of curved corners and a gently rounded midframe isn't just about looks, it's a move aimed at improving ergonomics. If this video indeed portrays the Galaxy S25 Ultra, users can expect a significantly more comfortable feel in hand. The design strikes a balance between elegance and practicality, ensuring that the device feels premium without compromising on usability. Flat metal sides add a refined touch to the phone's design, complemented by uniformly thin bezels around the display. On the right side, the power and volume buttons are easily accessible. At the back, the phone houses 4 cameras, including a periscope-style lens designed for super telephoto shots, highlighting Samsung's commitment to exceptional photography. While the design steals the show, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's leaked specifications also promise a powerhouse of a device. Reports suggest that the phone will boast a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, known for delivering vibrant colors and deep contrasts. This screen is expected to offer a breathtaking visual experience, perfect for media consumption and gaming. Camera enthusiasts have plenty to look forward to. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely feature a 12-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. On the rear is rumored to house a quad-camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor for unparalleled clarity, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom for distant subjects, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for expansive shots, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom for portrait photography. This robust camera system, combined with Samsung's image processing capabilities, could make the S25 Ultra a top contender in smartphone photography. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, expected to be the global standard for this model. This chip promises lightning-fast performance, enhanced efficiency, and support for the most demanding applications. Paired with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256GB to a massive 1 TB, the device will cater to power users and multitaskers alike. On the software front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to ship with Android 15 Base 1 UI 7, delivering a sleek, customizable interface. Even more impressive, Samsung plans to support the phone with 7 major Android updates, ensuring longevity and value for its users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 5000 mAh battery, a staple for Samsung's Ultra lineup. Samsung's dedication to refining its devices, while the powerful internals and impressive camera capabilities ensure it remains a leader in the market. As the launch date approaches, anticipation continues to build. Whether you're drawn to its sleek design, robust performance, or camera innovations, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for more updates as we edge closer to January. This is one release you won't want to miss.